Still adding products one by one? What if you could upload your entire menu in just minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to import products in bulk, quickly and accurately. Start by navigating to the Products or Menu section in your dashboard. This is where you manage all your menu items. If there are no items added yet, click on Bulk Import to get started. Next, select the menu you want to update. Upload your Excel file containing the product details and choose the appropriate sheet. Once everything is set, click on the Import button. And that's it. Bulk importing products saves time, reduces manual effort, and keeps your menu consistent. Try it out and manage your products faster and smarter. Thank you for watching our video.